Are you tired of videos automatically playing on your Facebook feed every time you scroll through? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable default video auto-playing on Facebook on your PC with the new update. First things first, open your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile settings. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu that appears. Then, click on Settings to go to your account settings. Now, scroll down until you find the Preferences section. Click on Media to access media settings related to videos and photos. In the media settings, look for the option that says Autoplay Videos. Click on the toggle switch next to it and select Default from the drop-down menu. By setting videos to autoplay as default, you can control when videos start playing on your Facebook feed. This way you can enjoy a more personalized browsing experience without unwanted distractions. So there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable default video autoplaying on Facebook on your PC with the new update. Take control of your media preferences and enjoy a more tailored social media experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.